Tropical Planet. Remote Control King Cobra.
King Cobra.
Wow.
King Cobra. The snake.
A remote control King Cobra snake, Hulyan.
Yeah.
Tongue flicks in and out. Wow.
Boom. Ah! King Cobra snake or something. He's
Reaching up to 18 feet in length, king cobras are the longest of all venomous snakes. When confronted, the king cobra can raise 1/3 of its body off the ground while charging toward its victim. It may also extend its hood and emit a chilling hiss that resembles a dog's growl. Wow, My Little Pony! Is that Pinkie Pie, Maya? Oh, and Rainbow Dash! Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash!
it's Little Daddy.
Yeah! That spider again?
Yeah.
It looks so scary, Hulyan.
Hey, look, it's Little Daddy.
I know, huh?
Where's the spiders? I'm gonna put it there.
Nice!
I'm gonna put it there.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah! Maya, what did you see, Maya? What? What's that, Hulyan?
A crocodile.
Yes, a crocodile.
I like the crocodile. I like
But Maya is scared of it. Maya is scared of crocodiles.
I thought it's a snake, but it's a crocodile. Nice, Daddy.
Wow, that's a nice tent.
Cat house.
Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Choo Choo Express.
Choo-choo.
Over 7 feet long. Wow, it's so long. Nice. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Choo-choo.
Wow, are those your house sleepers? Nice naman.
Why always
What?
want to show the kids something?
Wow, a school bus playhouse tent. What did you say, Hulyan?
Why always show the kids the new toys?
Why? What are you talking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about why I always show the kids new toys.
Huh? Whose toy is this?
Mine?
Yours, right?
Yeah.
And what video are we doing right now?
I watch some videos.
No, we are doing a video about your snake toy. So what are you talking about, Hulyan?
Maya's always showing the kids the different toys.
Both of you, Nak. Both of you are showing different toys. Not only Maya.
Daddy,
You understand, Hulyan?
I'm getting. Daddy, look.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
I'm going to.
Hulyan, you showed the spider, the toy spider to the kids. You showed your Halloween costume. And we did all of those just half an hour ago. So what are you talking about?
Daddy, I think in the back.
Hulyan is relaxing and Maya is playing. Spider! 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 Yeah! Yeah! The spider is eating Hulyan's face. The spider is eating Hulyan's face.
It tickles.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, here, hold it. Tomorrow, Hulyan, let's put it outside the house.
I
Okay?
have a spider hat.
A spider hat.
Spider hat?
Hulyan spider hat. Alright, unboxing time.
No.
Unboxing time.
Maya, we should make it there so. Let's see the tail. Let's see how long it is.
Instruction paper.
Instruction paper.
Whoa! Hulyan,
Whoa.
look! Yay! It looks so scary.
The multi trails here. Oh, yeah. The raptor.
A king cobra remote control snake. Hulyan's new toy.
Look at this.
Wow! It slithers, Hulyan.
Yeah,
Wow, it goes left and right. Look.
like that. That's how I do it.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's how I do it.
Uh-huh.
It's just like a real snake.
I know. Yeah.
You can also bend it to different ways like a real snake. Because sometimes the real snake, when real snakes move, they do that. But
Right.
when real snakes stop, sometimes they do that.
Hulyan, can you turn it upside down?
Okay.
I want to see. Oh. I see some wheels.
Yeah.
Well, not some, but a lot. A lot of wheels, right?
Yeah. I want to share something.
What?
When they move, they do that.
Uh-huh.
But when they stop, sometimes they do that. And sometimes when they stop, sometimes they do like that.
I see.
And sometimes they make the whole body like a circle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, like that.
Like that?
But I cannot. But it connected. But I cannot do it on my snake toy because it can only do the circle like this.
Okay.
But not connected.
Right. So what are you doing, Mommy?
Let's open this.
Oh, Mommy's gonna put batteries on the remote control.
That's so funny.
I know, Maya. I can hear it. Or I can hear him.
I was my milk.
Okay.
What?
Marcelin is crying, Maya,
Big
huh?
head.
Check Marcelin, Maya.
Go, Maya.
Look at the big head. Sometimes the snake do that. Look at
Wow.
the head. That's lots of wheels and a long tail,
Mm-hmm.
and the tongue is sticking out.
The tongue, huh?
And that's a big head.
It is.
It's a big head.
Okay.
Cobras have big heads, Hulyan.
Why?
Because that's the way they are.
You know some snakes have small heads?
Yeah, some snakes have small heads, but the cobras have big heads.
Yeah. Maybe that's why the king of the snakes.
And that's a king cobra right there.
Yeah, I think that maybe they have a big head because they're the king of the snakes.
Right, yeah.
They just say the king cobras have big heads because they're the king.
Yes.
And the snakes. My favorite snake is the rattlesnake.
Yeah, rattlesnakes?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they have good smell.
They have good smell. Oh, you mean they have a good sense of smell?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they also do this.
Right, yeah.
Like that.
Uh-huh. The remote control. Animal Planet.
Whoa! Give me the motor control.
How many batteries did you put, Rhea?
2.
2.
2 AAA batteries?
Yes.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Daddy, look, Daddy.
Alright. And 4 AAA batteries on the snake. Hulyan, look at the eyes. The eyes light up. Wow. Look at the tongue, Hulyan. Are you pressing something, Hulyan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Wait.
Wait, Marston. And the decision. And decision. And decision.
Maya, can you check the Marcelin?
Alright, Rhea, that's enough. You can go to Marksland now. Alright, Mommy's gonna go to Marksland now.
Over. Daddy.
Wait, I wanna see it up close. Wow. Look at the tongue. Wow. Wait, Hulyan. You see it, Maya? Are you scared? Maya is scared.
Put it down. Put it
Go press something, Hulyan.
I am pressing something. What's going on?
What happened? Ready, Hulyan?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Turn it over.
Look, Rhea. It looks like a real snake. Scary. Maya, look. Yay! Yay! Hulyan, it looks real. It looks real. Yee. Maya scared? Maya is scared. Go down on the floor, Maya. Go on the floor, Maya.
It's not very scary to me. Oh yeah. Switching decision.
Uy, galing, Hulyan ah. Look, Rhea. It's liters, left and right. Look, like a real snake.
Yeah.
So what are you pressing, Hulyan? What buttons?
This buttons.
What's the middle button?
This,
What is that for?
that's for making left and right.
Oh,
Then has to do that way. Or next up.
it looks so real. Yeah! Maya, the snake! The snake! the snake!
Oh, mine's very
I can go the mud
Maya is
inside.
scared.
I can the mud go inside.
I don't know, Lian. It doesn't go inside.
I think I heard you said the mud goes out and in.
I don't think so. Yeah!
So hers. There's something here.
Oh, throw it, Lian.
Better.
Throw it.